Hi, I'm Gleb from Tom Studios. I'm head of Telegram in Apps team there. And today I'm going to guide you through the Telegram App Center moderation process. Follow me. To become visible with Telegram Center, you need to apply for bot moderation. And with this, you will have access for more than 1.5 million monthly active user audience. And all this audience on average launch about 5 million different apps 5 million times different apps from the App Center. So, how you apply? First of all, you go to App Moderation Bot in Telegram, then you check the rules, and lastly, you provide information and media about your app. Let's go through the process. So, here we are at Telegram Apps Moderation. We have a welcome message and a button. Let's start. We'll see. So, we are asked to check the rules, and we have to check the rules. And check if our app follow all guidelines. Okay, let's assume we read and agree. Then we need to provide a link to our bot or a mini app. So let it be linked to App Center itself. Okay, no worries. Okay, and now we are asked to provide an information about the bot. It will be a brief information from my side, but we expect from you to provide a comprehensive and a salient information about your app. And the last step, we are asked to provide some media screenshots about your app, so the users, when they visit app page, would know more about your app. Okay, we upload an image, and now we are good to go. We just need to wait to the process. You will receive updates about the evaluation process to the app moderation bot as well. And good luck, create a beautiful, nice and successful apps, and let's make the Web3 revolution all together. See you!